In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Manipulator Sword here in Sailor Piece. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to go ahead and make your way over to Hollow Island using any of the teleporters in the game. I'm actually already here right now, but essentially you need to go and talk to the Manipulator Trainer NPC all the way over here. So go to make your way over to this guy, interact with them, and he's like all the way in the corner for reference, but essentially talk to him and you're going to have to do a quest line for him. The first thing that you have to do is defeat 250 of the hollow NPC enemies over here. You just got to take them out over and over and over again until you go ahead and complete that. That's actually not that bad. The next thing is absolutely horrible though, because you do have to roll until you get the Shinigami race, and this is full RNG. It takes a long time to get this, I'm going to be honest with you. And to roll for this, you have to use race rerolls, so go ahead and find those. I think I have, like 83 of them right now. Use those, get the Shinigami race, and then from here, you need to get a worthiness fragment, which drops from these guys as well. I think I also have one of those somewhere in here. Yeah, I got 9 of them. So get one of these, and then of course do 350 million total damage, which can be done over time. And then you just got to make your way over to this boss and defeat him 15 times. He spawns on this exact same island. After doing it, go back to the NPC with some extra materials. You also need a Hyoko fragment, Ratsu ore, 6 illusion prisms, 10 mirage pendants, and 10,000 gems and 6 million money. But if you turn everything into him, just like so, you'll get the sword, and it's a pretty good sword. M1 is fast slashes, Z is a forward attack, X is a combo attack, C is an AoE attack, and then V is a domain with damage over time. It's pretty good. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.